Hello everybody, my name is Reeves and welcome to, well, this tf2 video, where today we're going to be, well, going against him, but today I'm switching this to nothing because I'm just bored. But we're doing Soldier today, and I haven't actually done Soldier in a while, and I'm using one hand. I haven't done Soldier in a long time, and I don't completely know how to play Soldier. So that means I'm not really the best at it, but I can work. I can work with it, you know, with a class like this.
4, 3, 2, 1. Control point
Hitting.
Get going.
Let's see if we could find any, He didn't read it. Ball sag it. Scare the crap out of me. Water. Someone built a sentry gun. Mindless engineer. Strangeness, anyway. Yeah. Fix the mic. Making sure it's not on the mic itself. I hit the mic by accident, and I watched a video that I made. That was 33 minutes long. And I can't go over 20, which sucks, because I wish I could play for like hour, just talking. Oh god. Yeah, I'm not the best at Soldier, but I am decent at being a medic soldier. Or just basically this heals me, so in my mind it says good. You don't have to be medicked. Oh god. So yeah, one less rocket doesn't matter. Whoa, god! God dang. No, just a smaller clip. That scared the crap out of me. But the timer is still going, so don't worry. And next time we will actually be, I think, Pyro. We'll be Pyro. We'll just be for every single class for this TF2. I will be reverse shooter, or as I actually called it, a strange reverse shooter, because it's my strange one. So I guess it's like a thing. Hold on. Where are you? Sucker! I'm a fish! Ah! Stupid. Okay. Back off! Back off! No, I couldn't do it. I couldn't reload in time. The balls was that? I don't know what that was. Okay. I don't know what to talk about. I don't know if I should upload that video I was talking about earlier. But yeah. I do know that I did meet a fan. And it was one of those fans that praise you and had a suspicious feeling to it. I have to make sure, Spy. Up, boom! Boom!
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
Boom!
We have secured the control point.
I could really use some help. Oh, I'm about to die.
Mission ends in 30 seconds.
Oh, I think it's a Halloween. I don't know.
Contested. The control point has been contested.
Back off! Back off!
Our control mission ends in 30 seconds. Alert. The control point has been captured.
No, dang it! Come on, we're so close. That's I don't know. Yeah. You guys should think. You guys, I don't know. I think I should edit in the future. I'll try to edit in the future just by having an episode where I just curse 5 times, which would be easy doing in Cuphead. Oh god, I could curse in Cuphead for days. I hate everything about the game. Oh crap, hold on. Just I hate Cuphead. Everything about it. Why do you hate it? Well, I'll tell you why I hate it. Because I heard it. Bought it now. Wait. There we go. We got it. We got the kit. All we have to do is this. Market garden. Let's see if we can do it.
4, 3, 2, 1. Control point enabled. The control point has been contested.
Wait a second. Oh, you're an actual pyro. Oh, hell. Sweet. Ah! I hate rocket jumping. I can't do it. I can't do it. You gotta look the part of a soldier. You gotta have a rocket, and you gotta have a shotgun. Shotgun, plus rocket. I think these two are made for each other. Okay, come on. We can do this. Okay! I thought he died. He didn't die. He's alive. Quite alive, too. Okay. Shovel! Shovel the crap.
Secure the control point.
I think that's what you do when you don't give a crap. You just shovel things. Yeah, that's right. Switch between the two. Are you... Oh. Back off the point! Back off the point! Back off! My point! Now! Back off! Back off! You will back off. Oh god, I need to heal. I need to heal now! Okay. No, 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 I need to heal. Heal! Okay. Now it's time to harass them. Or, I guess be mean to, you know, something like that. Something that no one likes, like sentry guns.
Alert! The control point is being captured.
Ah! Oh god! Everything hit me, and not the spy. How would a spy get the hit? A spy just shot me, I guess. Okay. Woohoo! Look at all that.
We have lost the control point.
Alright.
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
Oh god, okay.
Secure the control point.
I can hear you in the wrong.
Alert! The control point is being captured.
In the hole! You go! No. God dang it! Why was he in the way?
We have lost.
God, I couldn't even get to it. Also, why are there so many people in the lake? That seems weird. I think blue team just needs to go Pyro Shark.
We have captured the control
Yeah, we
point.
still have time. We still have time for this episode.
The control point is being captured.
They touch us, but I'm okay. I know how to rocket jump, sort of. I just haven't found. I don't know.
Control point.
What? Oh, come on, that was so close. Give me the shot. No. No. No.
We have captured.
You want to go? You better not. Get that health. Don't get the health button. Better not.
Captured. Alert! The control point is being contested.
My health. Back off. Back off. Back off.
Alert!
Back off.
The control point is being captured.
You don't get this.
Alert! The control point is being contested. Mission ends in 30 seconds.
Out. No heavies on the bridge. Oh god.
Alert! Our control point is being captured.
Okay, we might die. Never mind, they will.
The control point is being captured. Alert!
Oh come on! If I would have got. If I would have just freaking done that right, I could have gotten the mark gardening. I suck at playing soldier. I'm only good at pyro. Pyro's good. No one's gonna explain that the spy. Someone just took a dump and it formed into a man. Man. Alright, come on, let's do this. Free fire for rocks! Free fire for rocks! Ah! It's a battle chant done by American countries since 1985. No, you're not allowed on my land. Not allowed, son.
We have secured.
Spy. Not spy. Where's the spy? Where's the spy? Ah, I just hit everything. Hit the Uber. Ah! I was just. But go away! Ah! Ah! Come on! No! I was so close. I almost got the medic. I almost got that medic. That was very close. Okay, this is Route A. Woo, 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 woo. Spy. That is the saddest Spy. Kills one person. Everyone. That's the thing with Spy. As soon as you're found out, you're kind of screwed. Unless you can turn invisible, then you're not really. But you know, half. Boom.
Alert. The control point is being contested.
Boom! 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 Scout, be gone! I think I got him. I can't tell though.
Alert. Our control point is being captured.
That's random.
Alert. The control point is being captured.
Oh. Scout, be gone!
Alert.
Scout, be gone.
Point is being captured.
I had a sniper. I don't know where the sniper is.
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
That guy got shot in the back there. Ba-ba-da-na-na-na.
Alert. Our control point is being captured. Alert. The control point is being contested.
I'm after you now! You! Ah! Back! Back, Spy! Oh, I got shot by him! I didn't know he could shoot me that far. Should've just kept hitting him. I thought he was going away. The balls. The balls.
Mission ends in 10 seconds.
Man, I have tea and water behind me.
4, 3, 2, 1. Overtime.
Wow, that's the end. Well,
We have lost the control point.
you know what? There's only one graceful way we can do this. And finish this off. Die in battle! Yes! Oh! That was great! Oh! Oh! Sick! Okay. I will see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye!